right now, you're holding a gift you didn't even realize you had. The universe handed you a beautifully wrapped present, but you've been so distracted that you haven't taken the time to use it wisely. This gift is the present moment, and many of us take it for granted. We spend too much time looking at our phones, worrying about things that haven't happened yet, or thinking about things from the past that we can't change. We hurry through our days, believing we'll have time later to do what we enjoy or to spend time with people we care about. We keep waiting for someday to be happy, but while we wait, the important moments pass us by without us noticing. We often go through life assuming things will always stay the same. If your life is going well, you might find it hard to imagine anything disrupting your peace or happiness. You feel like you've reached a comfortable place, and this is how it will always be. On the flip side, when life feels difficult, it's hard to believe things will ever get better. It can feel like being stuck in the dark, thinking this is how life will be forever, with no way out. But the truth is, life can change in an instant. What feels permanent today might look completely different tomorrow. Whether you're on a high or feeling low, it's important to remember that nothing stays the same forever. Life is always moving and evolving. Sometimes, it only takes a single moment to change everything in your life. Think about a time when you were really sad. In that moment, it felt like things would never get better, like the sadness would last forever. But then, out of nowhere, something changed. Maybe you met someone who made you happy, or the opportunity you had been waiting for finally came. Suddenly, what seemed like endless sadness was gone, and things started to get better. Now picture a time when everything was going great. In that moment, it felt like nothing could go wrong, like happiness would last forever. But then, something unexpected happened, perhaps some bad news. Things didn't feel as great anymore. This reminds us that even the good times can change. These changes show us that life is always moving, whether things are good or bad. That's why it's important to enjoy and embrace where you are right now, because nothing stays the same forever. Tomorrow is uncertain. Things could change, or they might stay the same. So why not enjoy what you have today while you can? Living in the present allows you to experience life more fully. If you live today just for today, instead of worrying about what's coming next or dwelling on the past, you'd probably do more of the things you love. You'd slow down, be more appreciative, express love more, and take the time to enjoy the simple moments. You would also have fewer regrets about the past, because you would know that you truly savored those moments. You did what you wanted to do, and you can be proud that you didn't postpone the things you could have done. Even though you might never experience those moments or meet those people again, you won't feel regretful because you did your best and enjoyed yourself to the fullest during that time. Your brain doesn't just react to what's happening right now. It's always trying to guess what might happen next based on things it has seen before. This helps you understand things quickly. It takes parts of what you've experienced and creates new ideas, which is called imagination. Imagination is great because it helps you come up with new ideas and solve problems. But sometimes it can make it hard for you to stay focused on what's happening right now. Your brain's ability to imagine and create is both helpful and tricky. It helps you be creative and come up with new things, but it can also make you distracted from the present. By being mindful of your thinking, you can learn to use your imagination when you need to and stay focused on what's happening right now. To practice mindfulness, start by setting aside time each day to savor some of your activities. Psychologist Sonia Lyubomirsky, author of The How of Happiness, promotes the concept of savoring. Savoring means truly paying attention to and enjoying what you're doing right now using all your senses. For example, instead of quickly eating your meal, savoring means taking the time to notice how it tastes, smells, and feels. When you practice savoring, it helps you stay focused on the present moment. This means you're not worrying about things that might happen in the future or stressing about things from the past. In her research, Lyubomirsky found that when people took a few minutes each day to savor things they normally rushed through, like eating, walking, or drinking tea, they started to feel happier and more positive. They also felt less sad. This shows that savoring simple moments can make a big difference in how you feel. Have you ever experienced driving or walking home from school and being so lost in your thoughts about what happened during the day that you suddenly realize you haven't noticed anything around you? This situation is an example of mindlessness, where you're so wrapped up in your thoughts that you don't pay attention to what's happening around you right now. Ellen Langer, a psychologist from Harvard, explains that this happens when you become so familiar with something that you stop noticing the little details. She has some simple tips to help you stay focused and enjoy the present moment more. One way is to notice new things around you. Try to spot details you haven't noticed before. For example, when you listen to music, you might play the same songs repeatedly without truly paying attention. Try listening more closely to the different sounds, instruments, or lyrics in the song. This can make the music feel fresh and exciting once again. Another tip is to change how you think about routine tasks. Instead of just going through the motions, try to notice how you feel or think about your activities in a new way. Try questioning your automatic thoughts. Instead of assuming you know what will happen or what people will say, stay open to the actual moment. This way, you stay more connected to what's really going on around you. Finally, practicing mindful meditation can help you stay focused. Spend a few minutes each day paying close attention to your breathing or the sensations in your body. This practice helps you stay present and enjoy the moment more fully. By being mindful, you can make familiar places and activities feel exciting and engaging, helping you feel more connected and alive. Using these tips will help you avoid going through life mindlessly and start enjoying each moment more fully. Right now, I hope you realize that you're holding something precious in your hands, the chance to fully experience this moment. As long as you have it, embrace it and make the most of the time you have. You can plan for tomorrow, but you need to live for today. Take life one day at a time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and leave a comment. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. If you found this video helpful, you'll definitely want to check out these videos.